Okay, guys, welcome. And I'm going to introduce you to one more amazing person. His name is Ashok Patil, and he's going to share his journey with us as how did he transform himself from a general manager in one organization to a VP in another organization. So, welcome, Ashok. Uh,
Thank you very much. Yeah.
yeah. So, I would like you, rather than me telling you about people about this journey, I would like it from your mouth as to what was the program that you attended? How did it impact your life? And how was your journey, the transformation from a general manager to a VP? All over to you, Ashok.
Yeah. Thank you, Rajendra. I think after a long time we are talking, and
Yes.
it is a really pleasure, to once again interact with you. Actually, I remember, you will remember that I have attended Bulletproof Manager program, and it was a wonderful journey, I can say. Whole year was, I was getting to learn and some inputs, from every corner of the management, uh, and it was really impacting to my life also. Basic course has impacted me very positively, and it has enhanced my confidence so that it has in handling different challenges in my career professionally as well as family front also.
Okay.
Basically the topics like handling challenging customer, handling challenging tough suppliers, tough customer, tough suppliers. These I really feel was a touching in this whole program, because nevertheless we handle such situations, maybe everybody. But when I know that background, this is a tough customer and I have to handle. So it helped me to strategize my own thinking. It helped me to do some homework prior to talking to him. And, this has really helped me to win, at the end.
Okay.
And in business, any deal, if it is a win-win situation, I hope it lasts long. Otherwise, it is a win-lose or lose-win does not, have meaning. It may be a temporary win.
Okay.
But it has really helped me, to win really few customers, few suppliers, tough suppliers basically,
Okay.
to our side, and they have helped me in my long journey.
Hmm.
As far as some principles, which I have really applied in management, day-to-day affair, especially your workshop. Whenever the topic was over, you gave us a sheet, and we used to write how we can apply this technique, to workshop. And I really took the interest, and we were, connecting the situation of a workshop, I can say, through life with this. And it has also given me a overview how we can, really sharpen our skills while implementing. And there are multiple, scenarios or situations where we can apply, different techniques. One technique may not be useful for that situation. However, other technique, may, come to your rescue. That is what I really observe in this, program. And it has really helped me in my journey, especially managing the people, building the team, prioritizing the things, planning the things, advanced planning.
Mhm.
These were very, very, sharply focused, in Bullet Manager. And not only it was a theory, I believe, it was giving us insight practical also.
Okay.
So once you practice and share with you as a mentor, I was also, getting, some advice from you or say some mentoring from you, which has really helped me. And today, what I'm really enjoying the position, I can say Bulletproof Manager has really helped me, contributed me, and has a positive impact on my life. I can surely would like to, admit this, and this is certainly I would like to share with you also.
Yeah, Ashok, I would like to ask you a few questions in the sense that, I am in touch with your old organization and I still, train them. And there are people, even after now, it has been almost 10 years you have left that organization.
Yeah, 10 years.
There are people who still remember you. I mean, that what is the secret of when you leave an organization for 10 years? What is that secret? What is that thing that you did with them that they still remember? Every time I talk to them, especially the junior one sir, they tell me, नहीं नहीं अशोक पाटिल सर थे ना, उनकी वजह से है सब. So it was really amazing to listen to, and it's really excites me. I would like to know how was it possible
Yeah.
for you to be.
Thank you very much, Rajendra, for sharing such. It is giving as on date also good pleasure to me. People remember me. Basically, I can say I remember in one of our training program, leadership basically. You told me that how the leaders are carved basically, and you use one word. Leadership is basically inspiring the people.
Okay.
That I really catch that word, and I thought rather than dictating the people by virtue of our position, and ordering them, dictating them, rather than why we are not inspiring them, and then this word, inspiring, I correlate with the spiritual background also, because you see those spiritual, gurus now in India, abroad, they have immense follower with them. So just I was thinking why and what is that one thing, which is bonding with them. Like some people are just with one word, following with them.
Mm-hmm.
I understood they're inspiring the people. They're not telling something, new. And that inspiring technique, I learned from you and I use, to inspire the people in my own organization. That 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 is the only reason I believe still, that people remember me in present organization also by sheer virtue of my position. I can dictate, I can do whatever I want, but basically I confine myself to operate on the principle of inspiration, inspiring the people.
Okay.
So motivate, inspiring word is really much more, higher dignity than motivation. I can tell you.
Excellent.
Motivation is a still, I feel, a lower, level word. Inspiring the people, means tapping their potential, making them huge, understanding with them, and exploiting their potential basically in a positive direction.
Sure.
Exploitation potential sometimes may turn into negative also, but we have to take care to divert it to the positive direction. And I will do that is only I feel secret. I will not call it as a secret, but that could be one of the reason I feel people are still remembering.
Yeah, definitely. Another question that I would like to ask is that which was very, very intriguing for me, that our process talks about applying it in situations as you have used whatever you have learned in those training sessions and applied that in your personal life and professional life, and you produce some results out of that. And at the end of the program, the Excel file that you shared with me, that how all the modules on one side, you have written all the modules, what was the result that you focused upon, what was the plan, what was the real result that you produced, and after 12 months, what is it that you're planning? I mean, I have never come across any person who has measured the results so effectively. How did that aspect of the training program really impact you in your journey from general manager to VP?
Yeah, basically, as you told, the Bulletproof Manager program is a very comprehensive and it is touching to the all aspects of management, I can say. Because I have attended previously a lot of program which talks of time management only. Some program talks of how to motivate people. Some program talks of how to communicate the things properly to the people. But in Bulletproof Manager, all this has been covered under one platform. And that is, I think, is a basically great thing. So that whenever in a journey of a professionalism, whenever you feel or we feel this is a tough situation or we have stuck here, so immediately, at the background, all techniques are there.
Okay.
And basically, you have to see, apply some techniques. Sometimes, even I personally believe I don't get result, but I never give up. Then I use another technique, which has resulted, me, and I gave the result. It is not like the particular technique is useful because that you think that was perceived that is useful, but the person who is another basket may not think it is useful. So what is the appropriate at that situation, time, and emotions of the person you are handling is very, very important. So this basket of these all tools which you have taught us over 1 year has really helped me. Sometime I can share with you because this is a short program. Otherwise, some of the technique which I myself was not sure, but I applied and I got the results.
Lovely.
That is the beauty of this program, I can say.
Yeah. Ashok, you said one wonderful thing that you used one technique and you failed, and probably then you use another technique, and you said that the same things cannot apply in same situations because the people are different.
Yeah.
This is something which is very, very important, because human beings are not, you can't, they're not a formula how to deal with a human being.
Yes,
That's
yes,
exactly what was
absolutely.
your secret of success. That you did
Yeah.
not make it a formula. You tried various different things that you learned, and that's how you really got your success. Amazing. I'm really inspired by your success. Uh, Thank you
I
very
will
much.
share one example,
Sure, absolutely.
you taught us the program, how to handle tough customers.
Yeah.
So when in my present situation as a VP, we went to one of the customers, extremely tough. First of all, nobody likes to talk to him.
Okay.
Situation is like that. So I went there, just I recap, how to handle tough customer. But when I saw him sitting in front of me, I told this technique will not be useful. So I told him, good morning, sir. For you, we have reprioritized our entire production system.
Okay.
The topic planning and reprioritizing. Remember,
Oh, yeah.
I have used here. The
Okay.
moment he came to know that for me,
Okay.
CEO massaging,
Okay.
their lecturer changing the priority of their production,
Mm-hmm.
I was very happy. And the whole discussion went with 2 cups of tea, not one.
Okay.
Yeah. So that is why I'm telling you, the planning prioritizing technique has used me here.
Okay. Excellent. Excellent. So, thank you very much, Ashok, for sharing your experience with me, and I wish you all more success. It's wonderful to know that even after 10 years, you're still utilizing all the things that you have learned. And that's really the secret of your success, according to me. So, thank you very much.
Thank you, Rajendra.
Thank you.
Whenever I'm nearby your program center, definitely I would like to visit and refresh myself. I'm
Absolutely.
not really sure, but I
Yeah,
would like to refresh.
absolutely. And as I told you that I have a Thursday evening call with all my community members. So whenever I get the appropriate time and whenever you have the time, I'm going to call you as a guest speaker over there so that you can share it much more in
It's
detail.
my pleasure.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rajendra. Thank you. Bye.
Stopping the recording now.